He follows a simple ritual with these three items. Something shifted in how he carries his day, and I couldn't ignore it during our morning walks.